The real estate market has shifted from the housing frenzy. Yes, the market is different, but this can be a good thing, and we are still in a strong market. Hi, I'm Kayla Matthews with REMAX. In this video, we're going to discuss what the changes are to the real estate market for the Denver and surrounding areas of the end of year 2022. So let's dive in. Sellers, home prices are still appreciating, just at a slower rate. On average, in the Denver area, prices appreciated from 2020 to 2022 between 11 and 14% year over year. This appreciation rate is slowing, but most sellers still have great equity in their home. So we need to adjust our expectations. Over the past few years, house prices were inflated and buyers were waiving contract contingencies. Now we are seeing some homes sit longer. They may not sell in one weekend. Buyers are doing their inspections, and seller concessions are back. Seller concessions can help a buyer buy down their rate or can be for inspection items that need addressed. Well-priced homes still can sell over list price and quickly, but it's not such a frenzy that we have been seeing in 20 and 21. Not to worry, it can still be a great time to sell. As I mentioned, most homeowners still have great equity in their properties, and winter tends to have lower inventory, which means you have less seller competition. So if you're thinking of selling, now can still be a great time. So let's discuss what you need and where you're at to see if now is the time for you to sell. Buyers, there's less competition right now, which means it's not such a frenzy out there and you could buy your dream home. Yes, rates are higher than they have been, but we've seen these rates before. It can affect affordability, but the market is different. Now you can ask for inspections or seller concessions to help buy down your rate. There's things called a 2-1 buy down, which will temporarily buy down your interest rate, or a permanent buy down rate. Don't forget that you can also refinance the house once the rates get lower. There's also more inventory, which means there's more houses to look at now than there were previously in 2020 and 2021. There may not be a bidding war on the home that you're looking at. You may not have to offer appraisal gap coverage. And guess what? You can actually do an inspection on the property that you are looking to purchase. What a concept! Sellers in this market are addressing inspection issues. So right now could be a great time to buy. Your dream home could be right around the corner. So if you are thinking of buying, I know interest rates and affordability can be intimidating. However, we have options, and with the market change, there are some solutions to these problems. So let's chat about your needs and what your dream home is. That way we can get you on your journey home. Thanks, have a great day, and remember, smiles are contagious.